Today I am going to show you how to get all your Facebook group links, name, description and even the icon to a Excel or CSV sheet. For this I will be using this simple program I created. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because I will be demonstrating how to get this software for free. When you open the program, it will automatically open Facebook login page on Chrome browser. So make sure you have Chrome browser installed before running this program. Enter your credentials and log in to Facebook. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, enter your code until the browser redirect you to Facebook home or newsfeed. Now on the program it's automatically selected to extract all group info such as name, description, icon and group link. So once you press Start button you should see the program will automatically navigate to Group section on opened browser and get the group details. Once it reached to the end of groups, it will wait for 45 seconds to confirm whether the program has extracted all groups. When the program execution is completed, it will automatically open the CSV sheet that contain all your Facebook group information. Once you can modify this Excel sheet to easily get the information you need. Now I will change the program setting to extract only the links of my Facebook groups and run the program. This will extract the links in the format that you need use in our Facebook group poster. But keep in mind, do not post to all these groups on Facebook at one day. It might get you a temporary suspension on posting on Facebook groups. Organize and remove unnecessary groups from the text file. As you can see, now all your Facebook group links are extracted to one simple text file. Now let's see how you can get this software for free. Usually this software will be sold for a small price. You can always pay with PayPal and get refund if the program does not work. Check refund policy for details. But to make it available to everyone, you can get coupon by exchanging points you earn on Zarm Tech. Once you complete task you will get points. I will leave the link to program and point system in the description below. Please subscribe and share and like this video, so we can bring you many other programs like this.